Meteor Systems manufactures and supplies gutter growing systems, irrigation systems, supporting systems, tunnel systems, hoisting systems and transport systems to the horticultural growers. Systems of Meteor Systems enable a sustainable production of vegetables, fruits, flowers and plants. Plants will be put on these gutter growing systems above the ground in an excellent growing condition. The irrigation systems provide the correct quantity and quality of water and fertilizers to the plants. The tube rail supporting systems allow a reliable transport of staff and yield around the plants. By putting the plants on the growing gutters, the surplus of the supplied water can be discharged immediately. As a plant is irrigated with 125% of water and it consumes 100%. The balance of 25%, named drain water, is collected and discharged by the gutter system to the technical room. In the technical room this water is filtered, disinfected and fertilized, after which it arrives again at the plants by the irrigation system. A gutter growing system is produced from metal sheet protected by a coating, a polyurethane coating. Therefore, the gutters are protected against the elements within the fertilizers supplied to the plants. The manufacturing process of the growing gutter is also named row forming. First of all, a roll of the coated metal sheet is produced at the correct width. Starting with the insertion of metal sheet into the slitting line with its standard width. During the slitting process, the huge roll of coated metal sheet is cut at the correct width. The total width of the sheet is split in the most economical way. In total, a minimum of steel is used. The controller unit ensures a constant uniform force at the output of the line. Uniform sized and shaped rolls are the result. After the slitting process, the roll is put in stock and ready to be shipped on demand to the greenhouse. The growing gutters themselves are produced in the greenhouse with a roll forming machine. The correct size steel is brought into the machine. Then it is introduced into the roller set. The electrical hydraulically driven machine and roller set is controlled by a computer. The slitted steel is pulled through the rollers and shaped into the correct size and model of the gutter. The growing gutters are produced locally to feature a full-length 100% watertight system. A local production of 12,000 till 15,000 meters per day is standard. The rollers operate smoothly and produce step by step in different shaped rollers the perfect growing gutter model. Growing gutters are available in 25 different models, each designed to suit the specific application demands of each type of vegetable, fruit, flower or plant production. A tomato grower requires a different gutter growing system than, for example, a strawberry grower or a rose grower. The brackets to suspend the gutter growing system are manufactured in the production facility in Duiven, the Netherlands. A huge roll of galvanized steel wire is inserted into the wire bending machine. There the brackets are fully automated, shaped in the correct model. In the same production facility, additional components for the growing systems and for the suspension for greenhouse heating systems are manufactured, welded and then galvanized. In addition to a gutter growing system, the grower also applies an irrigation system for the supply of water and fertilizers to the plants. A complete irrigation system consists of sunblock lateral to supply the water to the gutter, microtube, plant pack and supertip dripper to control the correct water flow to each plant. These components are produced separately and stocked to be assembled into one complete irrigation system according to the specific demands of each grower. The production of an irrigation system starts with the production of the sunblock lateral. The polyethylene granulate is entering the extruder unit. An internal transport screw pressurizes the liquid polyethylene to about 120 bar and it flows through a mold, creating the model of the sunblock lateral. The weak lateral first passes a vacuum chamber to be shaped to the correct dimensions and is secondly cooled down to the surrounding ambient temperature. In the fully automated process, the production characteristics are printed on the lateral and is rolled on a reel with a capacity of 8 hours of production. The sunblock lateral is colored white at the outside to block and reflect the heat radiated by the sun, preventing an increase of the irrigation water temperature and reducing stress to the plants. The plant bags are produced by a computer-controlled injection molding machine. At a temperature of about 180 degrees Celsius and a pressure of about 50 bar, the liquefied polypropylene is pressed into the mold. Chilled water entering the mold rapidly reduces the temperature of the plant bags and are next ejected from the mold. At the end of the production process, all stocked components come together in the assembling process. First, the plant bags are introduced to the automatic assembling machine and sorted to its right position. Secondly, the supportive drippers are introduced, then both assembled to the microtube, being cut at the specified length. Next, the sets are inserted very accurately into the sunblock lateral at the specified mutual spacing between the drippers. The complete assembled supportive dripper system then is rolled on a reel with the specified length of the greenhouse. Easy and simple, the dripper system is installed at the side of the gutter. In addition to the gutter growing system and the irrigation system, Meteor Systems also manufactures the tube rail supporting system. By installing the low-temperature tube rail heating pipes in the tube rail supports just above the ground, the internal transport of staff and products will perform smoothly, for example during the yield of the crop. In the facility in Duiven, in the Netherlands, these galvanized steel short-length and long-length supporting systems are produced. The square supports are produced in this machine. In one production cycle, the support is cut from the galvanized steel sheet and shaped into the correct model. Then the square supports are assembled onto the different lengths of base plates. After finishing the production, it is stocked till ordered to be shipped to the grower. The systems of Meteor Systems enable the production of vegetables, fruits, flowers and plants to be a more economical, environmental and labor-friendly process. By the sustainable design and production, the gutter growing systems, irrigation systems and internal transport systems are applied, enabling the growers to fulfill our daily demand for high-quality vegetables, fruits, flowers and plants. All around the world, Meteor Systems is at your service. Coordinated from the central headquarters and production facility in Etten-Leur, the Netherlands. Supported by a second production facility in Duiven, the Netherlands, and 2 field sales offices, one in Emmen, the Netherlands, and one in Ontario, Canada. All around the world, Meteor Systems is known in the horticulture industry for its sustainability in product and services. A deal is a deal, from the first contact till many years after the delivery of the system. Our goal is to be successful together with you. And together we will work towards a sustainable future for ourselves and the next generations. Thank you for your interest in the systems of Meteor Systems and enjoy your day. Hope to meet you again soon.